Bold tide, June 28. What do we have here? So we have a $700 loss. Right now, if I look at dog WIF hat, it's down almost 400 bucks. But I think we kind of saw this coming when we looked at the chart. If I'm going to look at this, when we bought this, probably midday yesterday, so around here. So it was this downward trend. We called out this point of resistance here. So we basically said there's a good chance that it might bounce a little bit, but it probably won't pass down to this point. So I think we set our stop loss there. What's happened is that it didn't quite reach there. And now it's looking like it's a downward trend. I think this is hopeful for us. We knew there was some risk this would bounce up and go down. Let's just see where our stop loss take profit is. I think we actually cut the take profit, to be honest, and just let it see how far it falls. This has this meme coin feeling. CRBS, we're up on our short. See what's been happening there. If I look at this, let's look at the 1 hour chart actually. Let me clear this out. What's been happening is I think we came in around here yesterday. I guess we probably came in at this top candle and we were starting to see it go down. And I sort of predicted that it would keep going down. What we're actually seeing though is interesting. It looks a little bit of a range bound situation right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it actually bounces up. So right now we're in profit, but we may not stay in profit indefinitely. It might go negative for a little bit, but if you look at this long-term trend, it's actually screaming down. I think we're in a good place to just capture some profits. Eventually, the global trend is down. We're in a bear market. It's just pummeling down. We shouldn't really be worried about this little hop there. We should be worried about catching the guarantee down. And I think that's the mistake we made with zero cash. Every time I make this mistake, I'm just like, oh man, I'm not gonna make it again. But we lost a good deal on zero cash. So if I go to activity, see here, this is the biggest loss yesterday. The stop loss triggered zero cash sell. So we longed it because yesterday we saw this little hop bump. So we saw this like increase here. Maybe we'll see a similar increase here. And I kind of expected it to hop a little bit more. And I think we just missed our take profit, even though it's really clear that the general trend is downward. That was a typical case of, okay, I tried betting on the short-term trend while the long-term trend was just overpowering. So I was gambling there. I was trying to squeeze a little bit when I should have just been like, okay, there's a downward trend. So my mistake. It's a good thing we set a stop loss, because if we didn't set a stop loss, we would have lost so much. Look, we're still looking at this general trend. Let's go at the 4 hour mark. So on the 4 hour, you see this pattern, it's going down. There's some hops. Let's go on the daily chart. Had this run up in April. I just don't see it holding those high values that much longer. We could go into a short, like a not so leveraged short here, and just try to gain some out. Let's not do a limit, let's do a market order. I don't want to put that much money in here. Let's just do a general short. Let's just put 500 bucks there. All right, back home. What else we got? Let's see what hot markets are going on here. Let's go hot. Oh, I'll take that off. Holy cow, Mantis, what happened here? Okay, it was a huge spike, huge rundown. It almost feels like someone's trying to move money. Although, look at this. This is still a steady climb up. So, okay, so there's a bunch of longs, and then basically the longs covered and got out. But the trend is holding. Holy cow. So this is, and I think it's just a long-term upward. Let's just go back to analysis. It's just this nice long upward trend. This is like in a bear market, this is just going up. I think we can really gamble on this. Let's put 2K on here. Wow, we could use a win today. Yeah, there's no liquidation. We're gonna be good. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's look at one more hot item. Okay, Athena, AMD, Sonic, short squeeze watch. Sonic has pumped. It's time for a squeeze, a short squeeze. Oh, it's saying that this is a short squeeze. I'm not sure. Oh, SK Hynix. Interesting. Let's see what's been going on. Let's go long term, daily. Okay, this has just been roaring upward. I don't know where this is going to go, but very clearly Hynix has been doing really well. It looks like some longs are covering now, but it won't be long. This seems to be the average line. It seems like this is the place where to get back in. So wow, I wasn't expecting to do longs today, but we're gonna jump in. This one, no stop loss, no take profit. Let's just see how this rolls. There's just this clear trend. There's no indications there's gonna be a hard slip. Let's see what happens there. Dog WIF hat, we're gonna stay in. MANTA, let's see. So we're gonna just leave everything else for now and see where this goes.